Hi guys, welcome back to part 1 website setup of content domination. So module 1 is all about WordPress. There's actually 2 modules on WordPress. There's this one and then the next one I'm going to be talking about the plugins. For this one I'm just going to give a really quick overview. Now I'm sure you know what WordPress is. I'm going to bet there's a good chance that you're already using it. The main reasons for using it are that it's the most popular probably the most popular content producing platform online. It's the most popular blogging platform and the most popular CMS. So for content marketers, WordPress is by far the most popular platform to use, and there's a huge community in every aspect of WordPress you can think of, from the people producing the content to the developers to the plugins, everything. There's a huge community around the platform. And that makes it a lot easier to use. Obviously, it's got its roots in the fact that it's a blogging platform. So if you are producing a lot of content, like I'm suggesting you do in this course, then having a CMS platform that has a background in blogging is a huge advantage, because there's a whole bunch of plugins and a whole bunch of inbuilt features that make it really easy for you to produce and share a lot of content. And I mentioned the community before. The plugin marketplace for WordPress is amazing, and almost anything you want to do with WordPress you can do 9 times out of 10 with a free plugin. Sometimes you pay a really small amount for some amazing plugin, and I've got probably 5 or 6 favorite plugins that I'll talk about in the next module in this course. But for now, it's enough to know that having that ability to extend the site is a huge advantage. Of course, WordPress is very SEO friendly, and with content marketing, even if you're not making an active effort to, optimize for a particular keyword, then still, if you're producing a lot of content, then there's a good chance that your biggest source of traffic is going to be Google. And having those inbuilt SEO features and the ability to have plugins that even help your SEO further is a huge advantage as well. And the final thing is, of course, that WordPress is really easy to use, and if you are, not a non-technical person, but if you just don't want to fiddle around with code and you want to dedicate your time towards producing and sharing content and engaging with people online, then that's what really you should be doing. You shouldn't be fiddling around with code, and you shouldn't have to. And that's why WordPress is really good, because it's just super easy for you to use, and you can drag your images in, and you can publish posts yourself, and you can upgrade it, keep it up to date yourself. You can extend it with plugins yourself. You can do all that stuff with yourself. You can get great themes, and there's a limit to how much you need a developer for when you're running a WordPress site. So that's a huge factor as well. So that's the only time I want to spend on why to choose WordPress. I think it's almost a no-brainer. Pretty much anyone who's doing a lot of content online is using WordPress, but by far the most used platform anyway. So I suggest you use WordPress if you're not using it already. And in the next video, I'll have a chat to you about the different plugins that I like to use.